2023-12-27. I got the job. Thailand, Hua Hin. Finland. My home country thought I was born in Sweden. As an 18-month-old baby, I got my Swedish citizenship in August 1976. The reason, a family member did military service in Finland and mother panicked. I would become a Swede. Now the next step of the adventure leads me home, to Finland but still not. I'm going to one of the islands in the Åland archipelago and work this summer, intense, sweaty but extremely nice as it seems to be a good structured work team in a beautiful environment. 9 weeks of work, before that I have to solve some things in Sweden. We'll try to solve the driver's license app for MC. It is enough if I stay in Sweden for 1 month for the license. Minimal expenses, a necessary evil as my stay in Sweden only costs me money. Work, absolutely, but I still have a month without pay. You see, now it starts again, Captain.